In this lecture, I am going to explain the formatting features of printf statement. Using printf statement, we can format our outputs. That means we can display our outputs in the desired format. Let me explain this with the help of examples. First, I will show you how we can show int variables in a formatted way. The numeric values, be it int, float, double or long double, are always displayed right aligned. So that means if I use 20d for displaying an int value, what it will do is it will use 20 columns, or we can say spaces. If number of digits are less than 20, then number will be printed right aligned, leaving the rest of columns blank on the left side. Note this thing, I have used 20 only for the sake of example. It could be anything like percentile 50d, percentile 10d. So let me execute this program. Now you can see the output. First I have printed this variable a in a normal manner, and second time I have used percentile 20d with printf. So you can see the value of the variable a is being printed right aligned. As we had used percentile 20d, so 18 spaces are being left from the left side. So the number is right aligned. Now I am going to make these variables, these statements as comments. So now I will be using printf percentile minus 20d, and I am going to print the value of a. Always remember, if we use minus symbol, what it does is it will make the number appear in a left aligned manner. Now in this case, what will happen is the number will be printed left aligned and the blank spaces will be on the right side. So I have executed this program. You can see now the 10 is being printed on the left side. Now how we can prove that 18 spaces are being left from the right side? I'm going to print something like, suppose it's C programming or something. Of course it will be printed as it is. Let me execute this program. Now you can see after printing the value of the variable a, that is 10, it has left 18 spaces on the right side. Then it has printed the literal C programming. Now I am going to show you how we people can use the formatting features with the float variables. This will be true for the variables which happen to be belonging to double or long double data types. Now see, first I am going to show you this printf percentile .2f. Always remember, if you print any variable which happens to be a float, double or long double variable, when we get its value printed on the screen, it has got 6 decimal precision. That means it will show 6 digits after the decimal point. So first I am going to make all these comments, and I will show you the output of only the first statement, very first statement, which says printf percentile f a. So let me execute it. You can see the value is being printed 90 point, and after 90 point it is printing how many zeros? 6 zeros, because by default any float variable or a double data type variable or a long double data type variable has decimal precision of 6. Now I will make it as comment, and I am going to show you the output of the next statement, which is percentile point 2f. So if I use percentile point 2f, now the decimal precision will become 2. That means only 2 digits will be shown after the decimal point. See, now it's showing 90.00. That means only 2 digits are being shown after the decimal point. Now I am going to show the execution of another statement, which is printf percentile point 4 f. That means now the precision will be 4. Right? 90.0000. So 4 zeros or 4 digits, they could be any digits, they are being printed after decimal point. Now you can easily understand what will be the output of the statements like printf percentile point 0f is not going to show you any decimal digits, and percentile 10.2f means the width on the left of the decimal point would be 10 and the decimal precision will be 2, and percentile minus 10.2f is going to give you the same results as the second last statement, but it will be left aligned. So I am going to execute these 3 statements because the first 3 statements, the previous 3 statements, I have put them into comments. So we will be able to see the results of only these 3 printf statements. So it's showing only 90 in the first output because it was percentile point 0f. Now it is like percentile, it was your 10.2f, right? Similarly, minus 10.2f is showing your output, but it is left aligned. So in the next lecture, we will be learning more C sample programs.